Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through the initial account setup. After signing in, open the left-hand menu and select Settings. Here, you'll find all the options needed to configure your account before you begin. Entity is where you enter your business information, including your company name, email, contact number, ABN, bank details, address, and logo. If you manage multiple businesses, you can add additional entities here. Next, open Inventory and Booking Types. Select the types of inventory your business manages, such as cars, motorbikes, scooters, or other rental items. Then, choose the booking types you wish to offer, including fixed term, daily, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly bookings. Once selected, click Save. Under Admin Accounts, you can add sub-admin accounts and assign role-based access according to their responsibilities. Default Settings allows you to configure default booking preferences, including contract type, minimum deposit, GST settings, and other booking defaults. Rental Profiles allow you to set pricing for different rental durations. For more information on creating and managing rental profiles, please watch our Rental Profile Setup video. In Store Items, you can create additional products or services that can be added to a booking. The Category Types section helps you organize your inventory and customers in a way that suits your business. If your business operates from multiple locations, use Business Locations to add and manage each site, helping you organize your inventory across branches. Finally, Customer App Settings lets you control what your customers can access through the RentAAA customer app, such as invoices, booking history, contracts, and inspection images. Your initial account setup is now complete, and you're ready to start managing your rental business efficiently with RentAAA Pro.